Wait, she did say that? So she doesn't know. Gotcha. Yeah, yeah. Norge? Dizzy? 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 Uh-oh. I'm making a video. She has this Heath bar, and I forgot that chocolate melts. So, I just put her in a brand new onesie. Uh-huh. You should. I just ate 2 in a row. Like, my next bite was of the second one. Hey, Norgie. Norge. She's shaking her head. Norgie. Norgie. She's doing it. Yeah. She looks like a little man because she looks like she has like a 5 o'clock shadow. Even Mommy thinks you look like a buoy. A little buoy. She's like clapping her feet. Super cutie and orange. Can't believe it. You've made quite a mess. You made quite a mess. Say, I'm on my second Heath bar. The first one came apart, so Mommy took it away. Fished it out of my mouth. That's okay. It happens. You're just painting? You sweet nut. Just a little nut. Oh, drawing now? Let's look at this. Nice, Norge. Looks nice. Looks good. Hey. Norgie. Poppy. Poppy. Ellaby. Patrol. Abuja. Patrol. Ellaby. Ellaby, 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 Ellaby. Ellaby, Ellaby, Ellaby. Poppy. Poppy. What? What? Let's see this face.